here celebrating this wonderful new mural that was designed by Seminole State art students, the City of Sanford Art Commission, the building owner, and the county, having just installed Safety Lane, seemed like the perfect place to create some open space, some beautiful artwork. It's just a wonderful place.
Obviously, it opened up this whole area when we redeveloped to put in Safety Lane, and it really cleared the groundwork for this mural that we have going on behind us. So it's a great day for Sanford, for Seminole County. Get to use a otherwise blank wall for some beautiful public art space. A great example of when public works and public art can all come together and share the space.
Art and culture are not a luxury. They are an essential part of building a vibrant city. Art enriches everyone.